everybody. Saturday afternoon, I got called by a gentleman about a pup being left in a farm shop, so I'm here to see if we can find it, because it's hot. Oh, I think I see it. Baby, come here. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, hi, darling. Oh, what's the matter? Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're hungry. Are you hurt? You want to come with me? Hey, come on. I know. Come on. It's too hot to be out here, as y'all can see. We're in the middle of no man's land. No houses, just some farm shops. Come on, sweetheart. You're limping too. Come on, baby. I know. We're going to go get you in the air conditioner. Come on. Keep y'all posted.